Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, Beautiful Natural Makeup. For short you can call me Ruby. So today you guys, I am trying out this eyeshadow palette that I talk about, the swatches, the BH Cosmetic from Sylvester Grind. I am going to try it out on my eyes today. So I already do my brow off camera because my brow them are funny, and I have some concealer on my eyes. Today also guys, I am using a ring light here, so if you want to see the ring light you can comment and let me know. And I am trying it out. I have a small one, but you know, when the winter come around and the place get darker, it doesn't really do me any good, so I decide to buy an affordable one. So this is the eyeshadow palette you guys here from BH Cosmetic, and I am going to try out this eyeshadow palette today. I am so afraid you guys of going into this color because they are so powdery, but I am going to try it out and see how it really perform on the eye. So first one I am going to use right here is, let's see, is Wolf. So I'm gonna go into Wolf, this one here, and I'm going to put it all over my eyes.
You know, guys, when you live in an apartment, it's not good, I swear. Like, you know, it's so, as daylight in the morning, people always making noise.
So let's go into another color here. So I am going to use Sisterhood. This one is Sisterhood. I'm going to use this one here. And I'm not using any strip on the eyes because I want to see really how much fallout these eyeshadow give. So I'm not using any strip. I have some elf strip here. I'm not going to use it. I am just going to, so I am going to blend this color. This wrist guy, this one, it's really having a lot of pain. I don't know what's going on. Go into this color, and this one is Ginger. I'm gonna try Ginger also. So guys, let's finish up this look and then I will return. Okay guys, so I am back with the final look of the BH Cosmetic Sylvester Grime. So you guys, some of these eyeshadow perform really better than I thought they would. So I just used some mascara and my eyes and a black pencil liner underneath my eyes. So the first shadow that I went in today was this one, and this one is Wolf. This was the first one I went into. And then I also go into this one, which was Sisterhood. Here, and then I put this also with his hair. So I use this one above my brow bone, and then I use this one and this one right in between here. Okay, so for the lid I go in with this one and my lid, and this one, and then a little bit of this one, but I thought that I would get more fallout, so I didn't really do like my foundation, but oh, they perform better than I thought they would perform. So this is the final look. And this is the eyeshadow palette that I used to create this look from BH Cosmetic. So guys, I am really happy the way how these eyeshadow really turn out, because at first I was like a bit scared because some of them was so powdery, but you know, it surprised me. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Please turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much again, you guys, for coming to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Stay beautiful as always, guys. Stay safe, and I will catch up with you. Ciao.